Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where 6 factorial times 7 factorial is equal to 8 factorial, or 6 factorial can be written as 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5 times 6, and this 7 factorial is equal to x factorial, or 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5 times this 6 can be written as 2 times 3 times this 7 factorial is equal to x factorial, or rearranging it, we can write 1 times 7 factorial is 7 factorial times 2 times 4 times this 3 and this 3, so 3 times 3 times 2 times 5 is equal to x factorial, or 7 factorial times 2 times 4 is 8 times 3 times 3 is 9 times 2 times 5 is 10 is equal to x factorial, or 7 factorial times 8 is 8 factorial times 9 is 9 factorial times 10 is 10 factorial, so it can be written as 10 factorial is equal to x factorial. Now comparing both sides, we can write x is equal to 10. So 6 factorial times 7 factorial is equal to 10 factorial. So this is the value of x. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.